Okay, so I just wanted to give you more visual walk through the bathroom. So this is kind of the floor plan where you walk in, and big shower. Again, this is all just a rough sketch. Nice big vanity single sink, door in the middle, and a bathtub. So if we walk through and look at it like that, then we can go kind of so nice. And then we turn around, and here is the toilet, and then you come out through the door and into to the outside. So in here, possibly to have another door, and so either a glass panel, you can do a glass panel, or you can do an actual wall and another door. So if somebody comes from outside, you have friends over, somebody can use the bathroom, the toilet, and without interfering, or you can leave it open, it's behind, or could put a nice glass panel behind, up to you. And then from here you have a laundry. As I was saying, you have your stack. This is kind of, it is tight, but it's actually not as bad. So leaving the space, a little bit of space from the wall, a little bit of cabinetry, some drawers, could be doors for your laundry stuff, a panel to hide stuff from falling behind, little countertop for folding and stuff, and lots of room. You can put stuff on top, like it's and the door can open inside, so it's not interfering. You can get in, close the door, and yeah, so that's this. So this is the layout. It's nice, it works. Second option I did is like this. So again, this is from your bedroom. Same idea, entrance, but I did two separate doors from the bedroom. I'm not sure where the bed is located and if this is gonna work. The point here that it's I'm putting the washer and dryer away, so again, it's not making a lot of noise, but whatever it does make, it's still now further away from your bedroom. And the nice thing that you have a big clean, just walk in, big shower, bathtub, same location. You have your vanity and a nice big makeup desk with a natural light. This could be another big mirror, could be a TV in here, could be a lot of things. But again, it's a separate little room, double door from the bedroom and from the hallway. And again, I'm not sure if I'm getting this correctly, if the layout is, if this is the master bedroom, but I thought if you do need like a separate space for the toilet, then this is a good option. Put a fan in here and this could work. Nice big bathroom, lots of room, makeup desk and stuff. And then the laundry, same layout, but now further back in the thing. So here you're gonna have the plumbing. Again, it's an exterior wall, so you just want to make sure that it's okay. And yeah, so those are the two ideas for the bathroom. I think this is what your designer did is very nice, and this could work. It will work nicely. It's an open space, like I was just saying. It's yeah, this will definitely work nicely. Everything, you have a big vanity, you have a freestanding tub, and it works. But now you can kind of see it in 3D and to see if you like it or not. And second option, just you have the makeup desk, and then you have less chances of hearing the wash and dry in case you want to load it through the evening. And yeah, so that's those are the two kind of options. I was working on a third one, but that's getting too tight. And let me know if you want some other ideas, but I think these two are a nice layout.